Hi, welcome back to Mixin' with Robin. Guess what we're making today? Look at this. Look at this yummy goodness. Look at all that Hatch Green Chilli. And let me explain something to you about that. I know I told you in another video, but if you're new to the channel today, by the way, give us a like and subscribe. We would love it. The Bueno is the brand of green chili, okay? And then the type of green chili it is, let me show you, is the Hatch. It's Hatch Green Chilli. And it comes from Hatch, New Mexico, but it is absolutely amazing. Again, if a recipe says add a can of green chili, don't add a can of green chili. It has no flavor. Unless some of you out there know of a can that has really good flavor, let me know. But this is one of the best, the frozen green chili. You find it on the frozen food aisle, usually over by your taquitos, burritos, frozen. It'll be kind of tucked in there, and they make a red sauce and a chopped green chili. So try the Bueno Hatch Green Chilli, okay? So today I have sauteed the green chili, a white onion cut up small, diced up, okay? Now, all that's in here is, I don't know how many of you, but if you're my age, you probably grew up on Velveeta cheese. And it made the best grilled cheese sandwiches ever. Well, guess what? I've been making queso with it for years, and it's one of our family favorites. So, you take this entire box, cut it in to little cubes like this. Once your onion and green chili have sauteed for just a little bit, you'll put it into the pan, and then you'll use not sweetened condensed milk, because we don't want sweet queso. We want evaporated milk, okay? So you're gonna put this pretty much whole can, because it is going to cook down. And what happens with queso, I personally think you should eat it right away, okay? But put that in to all that good Velveeta cheese. I grew up on evaporated milk too. According to my mom, at one point, she used to put that in my baby bottle and dilute it with water and feed it to me. I'm not sure if that was healthy or not, but that's what they did. So I'm going to add the rest of our chunks of cheese now that we have that milk in there. And then I keep half and half kind of off to the side on hand. In case it starts to get pretty thick on me, then I will add it. And I add a little bit of onion powder to this. And I also will add a tiny bit of garlic salt if needed. You will get a lot of the salt from the cheese, so be careful not to add too much. Plus, you'll have salt on your chips. So this is it. This is what we do. This is our queso, and it is amazing. So try it. I think you'll absolutely love it. When this finishes up and it is all melted, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how to eat this queso with some really yummy toppings. So we'll be back in a few. All right, welcome back. We finished our queso. It has melted. Look at this. Oh, these green chilies in here are so good. I just had one off camera with a chip. And I'm telling you, the roasted chili flavor that comes from the Hatch Green Chilli is amazing, amazing. So let me show you how we like to eat the queso. So while it is still hot, you can keep this in a crock pot, but let me give you a hint. Don't put the lid on it, because in a crock pot, if you've ever noticed, they sweat. Even if you have them on low, what happens with queso, it drips. The moisture drips into your queso and ruins it. It doesn't taste good because it gets all watery. So leave the lid off. Leave the lid off, keep it on low, but you're gonna have to keep an eye on it and keep it stirred. Queso is made to be eaten right away, as much as you can fit in your tummy, okay? Because it's the best. So in this little bowl, this cute little bowl that I was given as a gift one year for my birthday, first of all, let me back it up. This is chorizo. I love, love, love chorizo. So this is pork. It is kind of a funky thing for me to cook because I don't use it a lot, but it just looks like a, almost like a Hormel chili that we made our dip with, but no, with no beans. It's just meat and good red goodness. I love to put a scoop of this right in the middle of my queso. Then I come along and I put some tomatoes and I put some chopped cilantro and I put some green onions. And those of you that like a little extra zing can put just a teeny dollop of sour cream. And guess what? These chips are the absolute best to eat with your queso because queso is thick. If you try to use the restaurant style chips, no bueno, not gonna work. It's gonna break and you're gonna have a floating chip and then someone behind you is gonna get mad because they got your soggy chip on their chip. So take these good thick chips. Let me get a bigger one so you guys can see this. I want you to see me take a bite of this. This is so good. So I just dig into the chorizo, the tomato, the onion, the yummy Velveeta. So good. So, so good. Once you get all your toppings on your queso, this is like a mini meal in itself. Please, please go on and try it. Give us a like. Let us know how you like it. And subscribe. We would love it. And bring all your friends to subscribe. Send us out. Send us out. If you got friends all over the world, send us out. We would love it. All right. Thank you so much for coming in today and joining us. We really appreciate it. We really do. We are learning, we are growing, and we are grateful to have you come and watch us. So enjoy, and remember, every day is not going to be a good day, but there is good in every day. Go find the good, and let's have a queso party.